everyone, so hi Jason and welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's I'll try to do the green tint issue or test in the Realme Xon Max 2. As you can see friends right now, so recently I'm experiencing a couple of green tint problems with the previous models which I did order. So let's see whether the green tint problem is actually there in the Realme Xon Max or not. This is a question which was asked by a few of the subscribers, and finally today I got some time to record this video. As you can see friends, green tint questions which I'm getting every day. So for the past couple of days I did plenty of intense kind of testings on the Realme Xon Max, so that is the reason I did not get much time to record this kind of green tint. But let's see friends whether the green tint problem is actually present in this phone or not. So previously I did upload plenty of green tint videos. As you can see friends, if you just type in the YouTube green tint SciTech Guru, you can find all the videos which are uploaded with the recent problems which I am facing. As you can see, so you can clearly understand how severe it is, the green tint issue. So let's see whether this phone, the Realme Xon Max unit which I ordered from the Flipkart, whether it has got any kind of green tint problem or not. That is the reason. Let's see right now. So I'll try to use a couple of applications like Google Chrome, Incognito window and YouTube. Everything I need to use under the dark mode and very low light situation. So I need to turn off all the studio lights as well. So let me try to turn off the studio lights. As you can see friends, right now I did turn off the studio lights completely. Let me try to exactly show you again the model. So let me try to again go back to the display and turn on that dark mode. As you can see right now I did turn on the dark mode. As you can immediately see friends, there is some kind of green tint you did notice. Let me try to change from light mode to dark mode. That's so strange. As you can see the green, so let me try to test in a couple of applications I did not notice before anytime. But right now I am trying to use with the low brightness mode. Let me try to open the green tint. Let me try to open Google Chrome application. And this is the Google Chrome application which I'm trying to open, and right now I'm trying to increase slightly the brightness. As you can see friends, I'm trying to increase little by little to see where I can find the green tint problem. So maybe when I keep the brightness close to 5% or 10%, I cannot see any kind of green tint. I don't think so. Make sure to comment below friends in case if you see any kind of green tint here, if it is appearing for you. But right now I'm not coming into the conclusion based upon this. Let me try to use another application which I use every time for the testing, which is the Screen Test Pro application, which is quite helpful for me in terms of determining whether the phone has got any green tint problem or not. So by using this kind of grayscale method, so right now in this grayscale method on the top you will be able to see that some kind of different colors. Green color little bit but not much. Let me try to do the another testing which is screen white testing. So even in this testing you can observe this particular boxes. So usually in the other green tint models mobile phone, what has happened is that in this particular area it will definitely show the green color, but right now I cannot see much of the green tint happening in this phone in the Realme Xon Max at this point. Slightly I am trying to increase the brightness. I am trying to see whether it makes any sense or not. So right now I cannot find that much of green tint. So maybe this box little bit but not sure. Let me try to slightly decrease. So maybe if I bring another mobile phone you will be able to identify the difference, what it is, how much green tint it is. So let me try to turn on the flashlight right now. So this is the Mi11X device which I am trying to use right now for the testing purpose only. So in this mobile phone you will be able to identify the green tint, what is the problem exactly when you look at these boxes. Let me try to compare side by side whether the green tint you can actually see or not in the Realme Xon Max. I think this box looks kind of gray color only, not green. This Mi11X device which is looking kind of green color, this Mi11X device in this phone, but Realme Xon Max is not looking any kind of, there is no problem at all I think so in terms of the green tint. So right now I'm trying to compare with the other smartphones which has a green tint problem, so you know exactly how you can actually compare with the green tint problem phone and not green tint problem phone. And it is a Realme Xon Max device which I'm trying to use right now. As you can see with the low brightness only right at the moment, this is a Realme Xon Max, and this is a Mi11X device which has got the green tint problem on the top. You can clearly see in this video, particularly if you observe, so a little bit on the top area. So notification panel you can see this is a Mi11X device which I'm trying to use. Thing was remaining which I got a doubt in the beginning, if you notice. So when I turn on the light mode to the dark mode, there's immediate green color has been shifted. So let me try to do that right now in the Realme Xon Max, and then I'll try to repeat in the Mi11X as well. Let me try to do the shift. So right now little bit kind of, let me try to decrease the brightness slightly low, and let me try to do again from light to dark. As you can see some kind of, not much. I try to test in the Mi11X device, same thing. I think even in the MLNX as well, you can see some kind of green, but more green on the top. This is what I want to just compare in the end. I think overall, friends, there is no green tint issue going on in the Realme X7 Max until now. That is what I did observe. So in case if I find any kind of green tint issues in this phone, immediately I'll try to post the video on the same day itself as soon as I recognize. So in my testing, I did not find any kind of green tint issues, so it's good to go. So two things are perfectly all right. One thing is the connectivity. There is no problem with the Wi-Fi, no problem with the 4G place. That's perfectly all right. And second problem, there is no problem with the green tint as well. These two certification I can give the phone right now. But there is one more thing, which is the heating issues. So that is what I need to test again couple of days after using multiple games and gaming as well. So make sure to stay tuned for that videos in case if you are interested. That will be my next focus on this Realme X7 Max device. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and don't forget to check the playlist for the Realme X7 Max for more interesting videos. So make sure to follow the playlist regularly. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.